Hello everyone. Everything I'm about to explain has been checked and confirmed by the mechanics working here at the shop, so don't worry. We'll go through this step by step. If your Honda shows the message, "Some driver assist systems cannot operate," the first thing you need to do is stay calm. It doesn't mean your car is dying or that it's going to leave you stranded tomorrow. This message usually appears when the system feels like it's not seeing properly, so for safety reasons it temporarily shuts itself off. To understand it better, you need to know that this warning is related to the driver assist systems, like Honda Sensing, which uses cameras and radar to help you drive, lane keeping, automatic braking, detecting other vehicles, and so on. When one of those electronic eyes gets confused, the car goes into precaution mode. It's not broken, it just doesn't want to work with bad information. Now here's the most common cause according to mechanics: dirt. Yep, something as simple as dust, mud, bugs, dried rain, or even wax from a car wash can block the camera or radar. Many times it's right behind the Honda logo or at the top of the windshield. The system tries to see, can't, and says, "I'm out." You clean that area and just like magic, the message disappears. Following that, weather also plays a big role. Heavy rain, fog, high humidity, or even strong sunlight can confuse the system. In those cases, nothing is actually broken. It just can't read the environment properly. That's why many drivers notice the warning shows up during bad weather and goes away once conditions improve. Now here's something that surprises a lot of people: temperature. If the sensor gets too hot, the system protects itself. Some drivers who come into the shop notice the warning pops up after driving under strong sun, then disappears once the car cools down or the AC kicks in. Nothing serious, just sensitive electronics doing their thing. And here's another important one: sometimes the system simply gets confused. A small vibration, a quick bump, or even washing the car can trigger it. In those cases, turning the car off, waiting a few minutes, and turning it back on is often enough to reset everything, just like restarting a phone when it freezes. Now, if after cleaning, driving a bit, and restarting the car the message is still there, that's when a deeper check makes sense. The system may need a recalibration, which is done with a professional scanner. It doesn't mean replacing parts or spending a fortune. It's basically telling the system, okay, relearn where everything is and how to see again. And one last important thing: this message does not mean your car is unsafe to drive. It just means those driver assistance features are temporarily unavailable. You can still drive normally, just without those extra electronic helpers until everything is back to normal.